North Riverside Park Mall recently upgraded to a high-efficiency chiller through incentives with the ComEd Energy Efficiency Program and manufacturers.
We have 1.2 million square feet of retail that we manage. We draw roughly 12 million visitors a year. We're about offering community for a place to come to get the latest retail, to provide food, drink, entertainment. Being able to provide cooling throughout the summer is extremely important. Nobody wants to go shop in a place that's warm and not comfortable. And so having reliability for a chiller is extremely important. We had existing units from 1976. They were really kind of on one of their last legs. Chiller replacements can run anywhere between $1 to $2 million, again, depending on the size of the equipment. There's not only the cost of the machine running, but the installation cost. Efficiencies can be bought at any cost, but they have to work into your business plan. And so the consultants, the manufacturers, and that ComEd rebate program help to work together to bring a valued engineering solution to what we needed. And so we were able to pick the best rebate program through the ComEd offering that they had. You know, I've been through a couple chiller replacements in my career. This one was a challenging one from the standpoint of logistics, to go down a 3-story shaft, right? That this thing scraped the sides by roughly a ½ inch. The manufacturer did a great job of getting the old equipment out, getting the new equipment in, doing it in a timely fashion that they promised it to us. It was not only just changing the chillers, but making sure to integrate it with our building automation system. So that's, again, another energy and another efficiency that we look at. How does our new system integrate to our current system that we have? And it's operated just as the manufacturer has told us it would.
The controls on this chiller, it's actually better than our old ones, because it will monitor outside air temperature. So it doesn't have to make 40-degree water, it won't do it. You know, it goes by outside air temp demand on the tenants and how much our tenants actually using, and it'll keep up with that. More energy efficient that way.
There's some great benefits besides the fact of having reliable cooling, but economic benefits that we receive from this program.
ComEd, powering lives.